Reviewing my tiny Mr. Coffee Maker. This is a 5 cup, and I couldn't be happier with this little one. I have had this coffee maker for about a year, and I tell you, it works as good as new. It is the perfect size for 1 or 2 people, and the coffee comes out so good. It has the brew later button here, so you can set your time and you can put your water on your coffee, and when you get up in the morning, your coffee will be nice and ready for you. Also has the button for brew now. It's a very simple coffee maker, but I tell you, it gets the job done. The coffee comes out so good, so delicious. I couldn't be happier with this little coffee maker. I do highly recommend it. If you are, just one person, 2 persons, get it. It's a perfect size also for your countertop. I don't have a lot of space, and this one is perfect. See ya.
Cute. It's really small, which I love. It gives me more counter space. And it works flawlessly. Like, it's making a cup of coffee right now. And it's just a simple on and off switch. And I just love how cute and petite it really is. Also, I'll lift this up so you can see. Makes perfect coffee. And normal coffee filters fit in this. Because that's what I bought, just normal 12-cup coffee pot filters, and they fit perfect. And I am so in love with this cute little coffee maker. I think it's fabulous, and I'm really excited to have it. I moved into an apartment, so I downgraded from a normal 12-cup coffee maker that I've had for years to something smaller like this cute little 5-cup, and I love it so much. I highly recommend.
I love my Mr. Coffee 5-cup mini brew. Takes up little space on the counter and makes a great cup of coffee. The only problem is when you put the carafe in, the basket gets wonky and sometimes the coffee can spill over. The way to get around that is to put the filter in. Coffee. Water. Turn it on. Once the grounds start getting soaked, you can put the carafe in. And that's it.
very loud clanking as it brews coffee. But beside that, it makes a great cup of coffee, man.
La compré hace mucho ya y está como nueva, realmente sí funciona. Lo único es que utilizo estos pads para poner en el café aquí.